Welcome students to online session of Fundamental of Software Development. Unit name is Coding and Testing, and my today's topic is about Introduction of Coding. Here is my today's topic objectives. The first one is definition of coding, second coding guidelines, different types of characteristics of coding, code review, and the techniques of code review. So the definition of the coding. Coding means a set of guidelines for a specific programming language that creates applications, software, and website. In general form, coding telling a computer what to do in form of typing step by step all the commands, where main objective of coding is to transform the design document into high level language code or programming language code, where the input of coding is design document. Coding is used for develop the computer software, applications, website, etc. Here are some representative of coding guidelines. The first one is do not use a coding style that is too clever or too difficult to understand. Do not use an identifier for multiple purposes. The code should be well documented. The length of any function should not exceed 10 source lines. And do not use goto statements. Here some of the characteristics of coding. The first one is simplicity, second readability, third good documentation, fourth transportability, and the last one is usability. Simplicity in the sense code should simple and easy to understand. Code should be easily to read by the user. Code should be in well documentation in form of well documented with headers, commands, and meaningful name of the variables. Transportability means easy to transfer code in one environment to another environment called portability, and the easily used by the user. Now the code review. Code review is a kind of a verification technique where code is checked. Code review for a module is undertaken after the module successfully compiles. That is, all the syntax errors have been eliminated from the module. Eliminating an error from code involves three main activities. First one is testing, second debugging, and then correcting the errors. It is a basic code review technique. First test a code, then debug that code and find errors. So here is two technique of code review. The first one is code inspection and the second one is code walkthrough. In code inspection technique, the main goal of this technique to identify and remove bugs called error before testing the code and to discover the algorithmic and logical errors from the module. In this, the code is examined for the presence of certain kind of errors. Coding standards are also checked during the code inspection called verification technique. An inspection team consists of a 4 person who play the role of moderator, reader, recorder and author, where moderator identify the errors, reader read the errors, recorder record the errors and author eliminating the errors or remove the errors. So here is a list of some classical programming errors which can be checked during the code inspection technique. The first one is use of uninitialized variables, jumps into loops, non-terminating loops, Incompatible assignments, array indicates out of bounds, improper storage allocation and deallocation, improper modification of loop variables. So the advantage of code inspection technique, it makes software code maintainable and less costly. A detailed error feedback is provided in code inspection technique, and it also makes easier to change in the source code. And the disadvantage, it takes less time compared to walkthrough technique. So in code walkthrough technique, it is used to assess and improve the quality of the software product. A code walkthrough is a meeting where the programmer leads the review team through his/her code and the reviewers try to identify the faults. Here is the process of code walkthrough. In this process, members of code walkthrough note down their finding errors and discuss them in the meeting. Several guidelines are produced in the meetings and accepted as an example. Several guidelines like the team performing code walkthrough should not be either too big or too small. Discussion should focus on discovery of the errors and not on how to fix the discovered errors. Note down. Discussion should focus on discovery of the errors and not on how to fix that discovered errors. Here is the advantages of code walkthrough. The first one is it is useful for non-software discipline people. It improves project team communication and morale. It also provides educational medium for new team members. It can save project time and improve the quality of the software. Disadvantage, it takes more time compared to code inspection technique. Thank you, students.